End of YouTube. Alright, guys. Let's talk about Halloween Captain Crunch. That's right. Like I said, I have a bunch of these Halloween cereals to do. Next one I got is the Oreo Puffs, which hopefully are good. Because honestly, that is the one I'm not excited to get into. This one I kind of am. So it looks like it's just Captain Crunch, except these are supposed to be like Ghost. But honestly, the ones on the package look more like Ghost than the ones in the box. But we'll see. Also, apparently the milk is green, so we'll see. So the milk is kind of green. I don't. Here, let me see if I can get a shot of it. Oh, that's my face. See, it's kind of green. Now it looks more green on camera, so keep that in mind. But yeah. This is just Captain Crunch. Don't get me wrong, it's good Captain Crunch. I love Captain Crunch. But it's literally just Captain Crunch. So, cool Halloween gimmick. That's all it is. Let me know your thoughts, like, share, and subscribe.